Hey guys, what's up? So today we're sharing the top best story trees for iOS 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first tweak is called Milky Way 2, and basically Windows multitasking for iOS 13. This tree is called Pass By, and basically open source tweak gives you many passcode customization options. So you use an activated action when connected to a specific Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth devices within a certain time from last lock while using headphones. This tree is called LS Contact, which is lock screen contacts. It has a horizontal scroll bar with selected favorite contacts in your lock screen notification center. This tree has a theme called Tabula and Night Tabula handcrafted with passion. 200 plus icons each, more to come, badges, and status bar. This tree is called Nano, completely free modern clone of Pico. This tree is called Nano Banners from the PETA and added support, recent changes, and it's the small banners. This is an interesting one. It's called Kangaroo, and why this is interesting is because it's a tweak for Kick, which is an app. I'm saying it's interesting because it's an old app. Not really how much people use it. I guess some people still use it, but it's used to be really common, like 5 years ago. But now it's not really as common as much. I think WhatsApp took its place. Also, only thing good about WhatsApp is that it's like, it could be outside the U.S., so you can speak to basically anybody. That's why you see a lot of people who are outside the U.S. use it, because that's how they can communicate. But basically this tweak, you have spoof images, disable type in notifications, disable read receipts, or loop videos. This tweak is called Frame. Bring your iDevice to life with true video wallpapers. Enables video wallpaper for your home screen. This tweak is called Rocket for Instagram. Save posts and view stories anonymously, and do much more. These are the features you guys have. This tree is called Signal Booster, and boost a weak signal with one touch, so you gradually get weaker as slides iOS with you build it. Just have reset your signal so that the iPhone will devote its resources to a new stronger signal, and give you the strongest possible voice data signal at your current location. So a great alternative to this is actually called Carrier Crack, and it does cost I think it was on sale for like $2, but I think originally it's like $5 or $4.99. And 100% worth it. Actually does increase. It basically amplifies your data and your Wi-Fi, so it kind of gives you better connection. Next tweet is called Drain, and basically you can find out what tweets are using your battery. So you can find out what tweets are killing your battery the most. Next tweet is called System Info. This tweet is called System Info, and basically with this tweak, it adds a bunch of information about your device and your Settings app. Also, you could save your SH blobs. You can save AP tickets, so it gives you basically a lot more information about your device. It tells you also tells you, I think, a cool thing. It tells you all this stuff, pretty cool, but it also tells you your temperature of your device. So you can see if it's getting too hot or too cold, or if it's heating up, you see the temperature, which is pretty cool. It's just called Background or Action, and basically it's having the app in the background. It stays on while you're on a different app. So pretty cool. The only thing bad about this tweak is that when you lock your device, it does stop the app. So, but as long as your device is on and you have that app, as long as you have this tweak open for it, as long as you have it on for the app, it will stay on it. It will stay open as if you're on it when you're not really on it. And this is called Background Action 2 for CC support, Background Action 2, and PS app compatibility patch. This is called Volume Unlock, and basically what this tweak does, unlocks your phone with the volume buttons. This is called Ainsworth, and the connection experience you deserve. So it gives you your Bluetooth and new connecting experience. This is called Tiny Banners 2, unobtrusive yet useful notification banner. This is called Spring 5, and it's basically your one tweak to customize your device with. This is called Color Font, and depending on which one you get, it's for different iOS versions. Color Font 5 is iOS 13. Colorize your music, matches now playing UI to music album artwork. So pretty cool. This is called Snowboard. It's a theming device for iOS 7 and up. It's called CC Preferences, and as a control center module, it gives you the opportunity to launch these stock preferences from any app. The Pro version gives you the ability to launch the settings directly in some important sections, and launch the settings also from the lock screen. Another option will give you the ability to jump directly into the tweet section if you have not modified the other tweets they stock setting. And then here it is, CC Preferences Pro. So as a control center module, gives you the opportunity to launch the stock preferences from any app. With the Pro version, you can launch these stock settings directly from in some important sections. This is called Imposter Config, makes it easy to set a custom Among Us server. This custom server will only be used when jailbreaking. This is called iWhatsApp. It's also a tweak that replies to your app iWhatsApp messages automatically. This is called Emoji Port iOS 12 to 14.1, and basically lays emojis for your iOS 12 to 14.1 device. This tweet has a theme called Valentine. This tweet has a theme called Beta. This tweet is called Summer, and it's a package that includes more than 70 mods for iOS. She's called GPS and Faker. It's basically a tweet that allows you to change your location on your GPS location for your apps and games. This tweet is called Keyboard Color, and basically customizes the keyboard color for all applications. This is called Keyboard Control Pro, and enhances your typing experience in a new way. This is called Keyboard Controller, and control your keyboard. This is called Alert Controller, and basically control UX and UI of your alerts and action sheets. It's called LTL Twitter app, and for who's using this device with Arabic language. This is a simple tweak to disable RTL on Twitter in the latest version. This is called Musico, and app would disables you'd open any music extension with built-in music app. Imagine you have an MP3 file in WhatsApp, you can easily transfer Musico and continue listening. This is called Hill Mobile, and no option to configure. Hide Jailbreak detection for the Ali Mobile. No option to configure, and no screenshots for this item. This is called Depth Icons, fancy depth icon, iOS icons that respond when you tilt your device. This is called Linux Ultimate Device Customization. So it's kind of like a sprint-minus file alternative, and this is basically just the application for Linux. This is called Swipe Selection, and it's just actually got updated 1.0 beta 4. Select text to move the cursor using gestures on the keyboard. It supports iOS 13.0 and up. A new way to get edit text on iOS using gestures on the keyboard to move the cursor and select text. So, pretty cool. As he does for iOS 14. Another attempt to fix the Checkra1n Mail and Safari apps. Fix Chinese zoom in standard keyboard. Added disable trackpad. Completely disable the trackpad. Added only in space key to enable swipe selection. Only when swiping on the space key. Bug fixes. Which is called Fabric 2. And basically, native lock screen date clear customization tweak that lets you design your own labels and much more. It was rewritten for iOS 13, offers nearly 80 options to configure your lock screen however you like. It's called iSwipe, and basically iSwipe is a swipe clone for iOS. It allows you to type words efficiently by sliding your fingers across the keyboard. This is called Valeris, and brings your weather and calendar events right to your home screen. It's called Latus Limitless Keyboard Customization. And the last tweak is called App Data, and basically what this tweak does, view and access the data of your apps by either swiping up on the icon or from the Force Touch menu, so you can see like more data from your apps. But hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.